Go.
In 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Probably for Denji.
Oh, or it could be Aki. Right. It's either Aki or Denji, but I see Apple, so it's probably Apple.
So I don't know if that means. I think this at least supposed to be 12, right? If I'm correct.
A mix. Okay.
A natural conflict.
Oh, okay. So
Oh, I forgot about you.
Okay, I had to make sure.
You got messed up. Denji, look at him, perfectly fine, like nothing happened.
he just need a
Joel magazine?
Who taught this man? That was how you do it. What?
If he is, he's been pretty
A lot of
Is he
people
reading
are
along
dead.
with it? What happened?
What?
Give me the apple.
Dude, there's like a whole
No,
basket. She want his apple.
Real talk. Where were you?
Ran, so no apples for you.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
Damn.
Yo, why y'all so loud?
Denji calling her out.
There was never a day where they could just
Who else died? Wasn't just still alive.
Ah,
Oh
few
man, he is
shorty.
not ready.
I'm trying to figure out
Is she still going for the apple, man? She does not
how
care about
to
this.
nap.
The
Hey,
glass-
but I'm enough there.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I wouldn't blame him for
So that
quitting.
means
He's realizing the
Even
gravity
old.
of the situation.
She
All
actually
that
got
work
And nobody else
the last
survived.
two episodes.
split.
Howie.
That was just here for
That's all
the
she was here for. Okay.
Dang, they took the whole basket, and that was
Even
for Aki,
Denji.
wasn't
It
it?
looks like.
His hair grow a lot.
I'll leave it
There
out.
we go.
She did a solid.
That's at least
Yeah.
something.
Oh, yeah, at least
This
let
right
me
here.
apple.
This been hate. This been hate. You can see this out.
Damn, man, this guy. Oh man, Aki. They left the chair, the jump magazine on the floor.
Traumatized by the gun devil again.
There's probably a lot.
And one thing we also don't know is how many years of, his,
Oh, his
His
sword's
sword's still
there.
there.
how much years of his life was
His
taken away
pin.
from the
Okay.
mill.
Let them keep that by his bedside. Nice. Sure.
At least at that point in time, at that point in time, there really didn't seem like there was much you could have done.
Curse.
How much time do I have left?
What?
Oh.
What?
That's creepy.
What?
2
Years.
Wait, what is
How many
this?
years did it take?
Oh my God! How many years did it take away?
That's like the drawback for using that.
For the curse, like
That's ridiculous. It's probably because of the smoke.
So he has to find
Baby,
the
I
gun
don't
devil
know.
in 2 years in order for him
Well, he's
to
like, hey,
satisfy
if I got
him.
2 years left, I just smoke some.
It makes sense because it's a pretty powerful.
God damn it, that's rough.
I bet there's no smoking in the hospital either.
Well, other cases though.
Oh
Flashback.
no!
Looks like
Right
it
there.
could help him out
Still
psychologically.
though, like.
Yep, it is.
Damn.
It is.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. She really did that, bro. She was like, she also
she's
like,
gone,
this,
bro.
this prof face, she pieced out hard.
struggling.
Are you gonna quit smoking or are you still gonna smoke? Damn, you crushed it up.
Yeah. The craziest
Oh,
part is
he's letting it out. I felt it in his eyes. I see his
I
eyes.
come to terms with everything that happened
Oh
right there.
my
It all
God!
just happened all
Oh,
at
because of the gun devil again.
once. Probably passed out, fell unconscious.
He stayed there. Oh. Oh. Never mind. Of course.
Yeah.
That is
At the
true.
very least, he didn't answer the door.
I couldn't even say
That's true.
that.
Damn.
Goddamn.
She tried to
Come
do
on.
it to save him, but like,
Huh?
Oh, he was drunk. Does
What?
he?
What happened?
Yeah. Here's a
Please tell me he's like, oh, I could have
scored.
scored.
Do you-
Well, he
I
did.
was gonna say,
okay.
I wonder if even think it's natural for him to cry
I mean, he's
because.
kind of. Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
there's a big
But
ass
I don't think he
difference.
really actually knows what loss is for him.
For so
But
much
all
of
that
his
feeling.
life.
Mental for like what?
He hasn't
days
really
after
had
that?
many friends or other people
Right.
to interact with, so losing someone
Right.
probably isn't gonna hit him as hard.
man,
Likely not. No, not right now. I don't think so right now.
The more interesting question is, would she cry if you died?
Yeah, no.
Really discount
What if
it.
Did the
Makima
devil
died?
erase some of his feelings?
Ah, okay.
Person to,
Well,
laugh
I
at
thought
I
us.
think the devil might erase some
But I
of his
wonder
feelings.
if there
You
is a
didn't know that.
Some of
threshold.
his emotions.
We did see
Well,
one with
I
Rally,
just thought she was a
where
daughter.
she
Like, oh
actually
my
got
God, what is
serious
he
I
for a
have
doing
no
now?
moment.
idea.
maybe
Right.
so, maybe
How would you
not.
feel?
Probably be down for a while.
Oh yeah. You know what?
3 days. That's a big recoup period. As long as I.
And to a person who has
Oh,
nothing
guys,
but
already
somebody
saw
to
it.
think at all.
I like his introspection.
I mean,
from
the way he was
Yeah,
brought
it's
up,
the
I guess
double
it makes a
anxiety.
lot of sense.
Maybe my heart is
What
going
was the
back.
cost of
Damn.
being a devil man? What was the real cost?
Maybe since he's become a devil.
Never mind the serious stuff.
Que é a primeira vez que ele tá tendo esse contato com as pessoas.
Ela não é muito boa, eu acho. Ela é boa com a maioria das coisas, sabe?
Oh, man, that's what it
And
is.
then they show up right on
These are
time,
the
right
new
on
members
cue.
of the
I
squad.
forgot the other guy's
This is
name.
why I love mentioning character though.
Pardon.
What are y'all finna say to my man?
He was right. He grew up in an environment that's normal.
I didn't ask
God.
this last episode, but it's interesting how both of them seem to have
Smack him
the
in the back
exact
of the head.
same scar on their face.
Environment.
Okay.
Except maybe
Special
it's like
division.
Foda, essa
reflected.
animação é muito foda, pelo amor de Deus, eu fico
Really?
perplexo com as coisas mais simples.
Really, dude?
Let this man have
Yeah.
He's like, look at the app coach.
Caught up
Ridiculous. Absolutely
Drafted
The
Denji.
aftermath of the past one.
Interesting stuff so far, man.
Power knows how to fight, but
And also, I wonder. Well, okay, so it seems like. Well, I don't
Well, I guess
know.
it's interactive.
After Aki, his
I don't know
curse.
what the,
Well, okay.
He's
Let me word it this way.
struggling,
So whenever they want to use a curse's power, they need to sign a contract, which is basically like a two-way street. You let me use your power, and I give you something in exchange. So, and Denji's a bit of an
you
exception.
know, there's actually a lot of stuff happening.
But I wonder. Oh, and I guess power is also an exception because
until you see
she like is the
happening,
devil.
you're not gonna
She's
pull
not
her.
sharing a body with the blood devil.
It doesn't really spoil anything.
She's
but
like the literal blood devil that's taken over the body of someone else. But like, I wonder if Makima's curse power has like some crazy side effect, or Kobeni, or any of these other characters. But when it comes to
I'm going to
Makima,
do
it
transit.
seems pretty straightforward.
I want to see
Sacrifice one person to
731,
devil,
731.
and then the devil kills another person.
I
But there might be more to it.
It never fails.
Hotel incident.
his devil consumes him or whatever.
Right.
Você também quer o Denji, safada?
you're not smart.
No shit.
Training art?
Something.
Not yet.
Be busy investigating.
Why?
Damn.
To the perfect teacher.
Oh, is this the guy?
oh, is it?
Who is
Oh,
this?
is it that guy? The
Separate
one,
trainers for power and danger.
yeah, this guy. He looks important.
Yeah,
With the scraggly beard
You have to be
kind of thing.
crazy
I
to survive
think
this
he
line
has
of work
that.
or something like that.
Paying his respects.
Dang!
Answer my question.
This leads me to believe he might have some authority.
I thought they died. You want revenge?
There's
It's
two
just
going. I don't
depressing.
like it.
Dang.
Oh, careful on this one.
Neither. Imagine. Ooh.
Interesting questions here.
Yeah, that's fair.
Fair!
Oh my god,
You know what
power.
Okay, I mean, it's honest.
Oh,
You
answers.
know?
Yeah.
If they've
this
got
guy.
any screws loose.
Okay.
Gostei deles.
There you go.
Right answers.
Because
That's
what
what he's like.
I
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay, that's good.
Ubarashi.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I
On
love it.
point on your face.
you don't your power.
That's what I call it.
Right
So
now?
what's their training?
Training in a
I
cemetery?
feel like it's gonna be really bad. Oh, okay. He's okay. He's
Special
okay.
division 1.
Cara, eu acho que é o mais
Happy
autêntico.
if you could call me that.
Ah, ele vai ser o sensei da turma.
Sure.
I mean, okay.
Olhei e matar demônio.
Huh? Oh god, he's holding them a little too. Oh!
What did he do?
Did he just snap their neck?
That's like
Wait.
broken ribs right there.
I heard
Wait,
bones
that's a
crunching.
neck.
Hey,
Broken
that's a
neck.
good hug, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, they passed.
Both of them are
Oh,
unconscious.
Damn.
Listening for it.
He caught them slipping.
Okay, they're still okay.
Did he just break y'all's
Look at
spines?
their necks. You can still see
That's a
them.
flash.
Basically running them.
Are the same as well.
Yes, unconscious.
Right.
Okay, no, he did snap. Okay, I heard the crunch.
That's what pops were. Makes sense.
Their next worst snap.
Damn.
Yum.
Yeah,
You're right,
so
you're
this is
right
kind of
again.
like showing us the
Okay.
viewers a little bit more.
They're okay. That's all they need. Next snap, bullet to the head, anything.
Kind of
Give
hard.
up.
Jesus.
I mean,
Nossa, eles
Right.
não vão ter um arco de treinamento.
come on, so you're gonna see to it after your heart. Yeah, we don't really know.
That's
Right.
big. That's big. But you are just a small fry.
A scrub.
Nossa, nós
Yeah,
vamos ter o agora.
He's not wrong though.
Yeah, man, answer that
He
part.
is new to this whole devil hunting business.
A
Or
new
actually,
deal
no,
for
he's
you.
not.
I've been here before.
Okay, he's maybe
Agile
testing out
stand
how much
in
it can
the middle
handle.
of, like crosses on both ends.
The drunk me?
And then-
The drunk me.
Came with a flash of insight. Okay.
Oh, is that how
Flash
we're
of insight.
Alright, cool, dude.
Melhor.
Oh,
cara.
the strongest devil
Não,
hunter.
não, não,
Is
né?
the devil who can defeat you.
Ooh.
Oh, he's
I'll keep hunting you.
He'll never be strong enough to beat this.
Yo, you're
Oh,
Oh,
that shall last.
kidding. When does it start? When does it start? When does the hunt start?
Hey, get back.
Oh, God, he's gonna do it again?
Either that or the guy's absolutely fucking palsy.
Right.
Oh,
Here we
oh,
go.
got the hammer.
Hopefully we can get some teamwork.
Okay.
Oh, okay,
Alright.
there we go.
Don't come near me.
Damn.
And look at that.
Oh my God.
They can't
Power.
Like they have to
Power.
take this
Hello?
more seriously.
Oh, God. Okay, power.
I thought he like stabbed his chest again because there was still blood coming
Wait,
out.
is power get hit?
His knife bend though.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh.
She got her
His
throat
knife been.
sliced
Trying to
open.
throw. The boys are
The
mortal.
boy is immortal.
Being semi-immortal.
It's mostly
All
immortal.
you think about is a bash to someone's head.
That's interesting.
Oh, it's not. It's just
Of
chipped.
course, neither of you have human rights.
Dang,
All
alright.
Denji is immortal. I mean,
Oh, God, here we go. The
Right.
backstory. Too powerful for the olden days.
Toys that can take a beating. Basically, you niggas.
Vocês são perfeitos pra mim.
I can't wait to see the end result. I
This is
just,
a real
God,
deal.
man, that's so brutal for some.
You know what I like this because
Yeah,
Hopefully
but-
this is a bit of a wake-up call for them. Like, all right, we can't slack.
So-
We're fighting this guy.
The Fox Devil is
Yeah,
actually
pulling up.
Is he? No,
Done.
he's not. He's not coming out.
Será que o contrato dele foi quebrado?
Because even though
Is that
they're
because what
immortal,
happened
I'm
to
sure
him?
that's
You
still
abused the
painful.
power and got on its back.
that makes
Oh.
sense. Ah, damn.
Damn.
Well, that sucks.
That's
I'm like, when a devil dies, is it, like, I mean, when
I got
it
2 years.
jacks up like that, is it dead?
I gotta see catch up.
What a job.
Tá bom o episódio,
Right.
tá muito bom.
No, I could just mention
Okay.
Can't get up.
years ago. That doesn't even surprise me.
Setor privado.
Right.
Gonna make some certain sacrifices.
Certain sacrifices. What does that mean?
Todos eles vão
Who we
treinar agora.
sacrificing?
Prepared for.
The contracts almost? Yeah.
You're gonna need a
Contracts.
Oh, right, yeah,
Okay.
he doesn't have
Ah,
money.
ele tá acabando meio fácil dando um contrato com um monte de gente.
Yeah.
I mean,
2 years
Stay on and go
Yeah,
through
I'm
it.
not
Contract with the
Shit.
devil.
He only has
2
2
years
Question
left.
is, who, which devil?
Help pay to defend Double's death.
Right.
Alright.
Agora ele
Revenge
tem
it
mais
is.
pra trazer.
How
Hey,
could
I
quit?
can't
Fuck
blame
it.
him.
Talk your
Here
shit.
for it.
it's a look, man. It's
Yeah,
a
I'll
crazy
give
look.
it
Like,
Man.
what do we have to go back
You know,
to?
it's a crazy
Nothing.
look.
Literally.
Achievement goes so low. You complete link of life. Hey. Can't say I don't love it too
Paperwork.
much because I
Papelada pra quê,
fucking
mano?
do.
E a maçã?
Looks like
It's crazy.
It's crazy. I beat your ass right now with the 2 years I got left.
all
Insane run.
psychopaths
Only the
in
crazy
their own
ones are the
right.
ones
You're
who
gonna have
survive.
to look at where you're understand. I mean, we try our best, but every once in a while we missed
See,
the point.
I feel like these niggas don't know battle for real.
Lady. Makima? No.
I feel like they don't know what battle is for
They
real.
would have said it was Makima. Who's this?
I think it's mocking me.
What's the? I feel like
Maybe.
I feel like the equivalent is like people on Attack on Titan who was like closer inside the walls.
I don't know who that is.
Who don't know what's really going on the outside.
That'd be
They
someone
don't
who
know
knows.
battle for real.
Family?
Who's this pulling up?
Surprised. Who?
Wait, whoa.
Whoa, who is this?
Mostra essa cara, caramba!
Who is
Whoa,
this?
new character?
Is that a relative or?
Yeah,
Who is this?
Reaction, even more reaction.
Someone who
It's gotta be someone familiar.
but hasn't seen for a long
That
time.
was
Has to look
looked like Kobeni, wasn't it?
I got your ass.
Look at that, they are messed up.
Did you
They've
crank
been
up your chainsaw?
run through the
Yeah,
mud.
man, different hairstyles.
Very nice.
She did say she was gonna go quit.
Power, you gotta help him
This is
back
also a
to
good
the
like
place.
bonding
I
exercise.
was
for
training
them.
you two.
Getting beaten to a pulp together.
Oh god, he drooling.
Oh, poor boy.
Mata, cura.
What?
Sorry.
Bro, is he good?
Wrong? Oh god,
Were you about to cry?
his brain broke again? What?
Broke again.
He got brain damage?
It was bad.
He's on blood, damn it.
I don't think that's
I
gonna
guess
help
that's
him
one
out.
way to fix it. What?
Oh, he's back.
Okay, he's okay.
Dang, his brain was like
sound you were making.
recovering. It wasn't fully there yet.
If he can still talk, he
I
ain't
lost
dead.
track.
Fuck out with you.
Dang. Damn. So she doesn't even know the real answer.
That's nice.
Yeah, the
Damn.
And they gotta walk.
But that's interesting though, the fact that he said that power is
So they
mostly
just walk right back.
And then,
True.
the thing is, they're gonna have to deal with like this.
Flee.
What happens
Together?
there? I mean,
Oh yeah,
Right
right
now, either way.
Yeah, can't do that.
For real, double treatment.
by the grunt level
Oh, wait.
soldiers of.
Someone there.
Is this where they first
No,
met?
it's just
Whoever's
an endless
working
I don't know
on
how
road.
they
Already
hold
in the
it.
nearest town.
Oh, never mind.
I know this road looks familiar.
Ooh, don't like that, do we?
Okay.
Agora vocês têm que ficar mais
What are y'all finna do to get stronger?
Ooh,
What is it? What you got?
what we got?
I feel okay.
It's
Oh,
power,
so
no one
you
knows
got
covered
power.
in
Very strong. That was rotting his brain.
Alcohol is rotted in
Okay.
There we go, finally.
Okay.
We're coming.
Making some
Think.
progress
Yes.
here.
Oh, God.
Use your head.
Two in the two brain cells.
This music,
Put in the
holy.
effort. Like those, yeah, of course. Like you're Sasuke Aizen. Let's be Aizen for this next fight.
Wits.
All you gotta do is.
Oh
I
no.
feel smart. I mean, I
Fuck
guess
y'all gonna do that?
I guess.
I have 100 ideas. Okay. Oh my god.
Dude, this
The next
music.
day.
They're dead. They're dead in the
that.
morning.
But hey, you know
They're
what?
dead in the morning.
Surprising me, I ain't
Oh, and we're there over right. This is their apartment.
We're
Oh
gonna
my
jump into the
god.
ending.
Power time.
Okay.
Right.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Glasses on and
Okay, Denji. Are they wearing glasses because they think it makes them smarter? They're wearing glasses for that purpose. Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Power with glasses
What is
though.
the glasses on, man?
I'm one of the big glasses. Is it for the aesthetic? Or some kind of major
Oh, but
thing?
he heard that. He heard that.
Glasses though. I saw it coming.
Okay. Oh, is he gonna use that now? He has a weapon. Oh, okay, set up. Okay. From the ceiling.
Okay, there we go.
Hey, nice.
Getting a little creative here, but this dude.
I like it. Okay, well, where's Denji? Denji got that.
And here's Denji
Denji,
with
I
the
don't
surprise
think he got
attack.
it.
He totally knows you're right there.
He
The shadow.
That's like minus 10
Touch
cards.
the heel of his foot. Jesus Christ.
It was a good attempt, though.
Without the glasses, he's just back to normal.
That was your best try.
That was your best effort so far.
Commendable.
This dude is nuts, man.
That's commendable.
True.
That's commendable.
que ele viu o futuro, mano. Ele
Never really get riled up, I
He
think.
might be the coolest character we've met.
Immortal
Steady
enough.
drinking booze.
That's what I think.
Okay, 2 reasons. What happened to
I
you?
use too much blood fighting like that.
Okay.
She
Okay,
used
so that's
to
not
be
good. 2 Denji failed to protect my attack.
Didn't see any of my attacks coming. Okay.
Oh,
Let's
wow.
call it a day. Like, wait, shut up, 2 seconds.
That's nice.
Damn, man, that was
Nice. They actually tried. He's like, hey, I'm not gonna kill you 20 times a day. We're good.
No, I don't think that's true.
Lucky.
Oh, man, that was looking adorable.
Oh, come on, man. That disrespect. Why?
He just threw it. He just threw it.
Why?
I mean, I
did too.
Why?
I think that was capping. I think he was capping about y'all being done for today.
Okay. Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
Just
Lesson learned. Man, oh my god.
If Power's gonna be out of commission, you're gonna be out of commission too.
Oh, Aki.
Right.
What kind of devil do they have sealed in?
Pretty demanding
This
contract.
maximum
Just gonna
security
walk up on a devil.
facility.
So he only has 2 years left. He's going to make a contract with a very strong devil. That's basically you wouldn't break his
Right.
Será que
He only has 2 years left.
capiroto vai tirar
About the risk.
So this,
Who the
is
hell
this
are y'all
probably
about to go
where
to?
And I'm assuming
they
that
have
he's going
anymore.
sword
potential
again.
devils.
That will
Ooh, are all
Devils.
these devils that they can make contracts
Powerful
with?
fucking devils that y'all have locked up.
Yep. Okay. They captured some devils.
lixo ali
Find your
guardado.
weapon
Yo,
here.
Nossa, agora eu tô curioso pra saber qual
Dangerous.
demônio que a gente vai ver agora, hein? Ele vai ter que
Is he gonna feel one and be like, hey?
Read everything else. Yeah.
Choose, or do they have like
break.
one set
Good
up for
times.
him?
Oh, I'm curious about this.
But yeah. Who was that? Who was that? I still haven't forgotten. Who was that person that came to visit? It has to be someone he
wonder
knows,
if he
like
has
just based
the
on his
mind of the devil.
reaction. He was shocked. Teammate's sister. Which teammate?
Partner's younger sister. That really all she was to you.
She gave me a letter.
Okay.
They were kind of like best friends.
Well, maybe?
Damn.
Oh, that's who that was. Oh,
Someone got 54 letters.
Ele não
Oh, the first one.
Male.
Oh, is that
Right.
Himeno's sister? Maybe
I
it's
was totally
Himeno's
thinking
sister.
something else. My
Ooh,
bad.
if it's
Cause she
Himeno's
loved
sister.
you.
Oh god, these are letters probably of
Numbers and
Around
pages.
Himeno.
like,
Himeno's
oh,
on.
I like this guy
Really?
at
That
work.
one.
Is that what
Yeah,
we're
but
saying?
this was translators.
Oh, God.
Is that feeling any better? Okay. I'm job pretty well. Don't worry about the food or anything that's been messaging me lately. I appreciate his concern, but I'm more worried about him.
He's that family,
is he
sure.
taking
Actually,
his
wait,
meds?
is this wait?
Oh, so
I forced Aki to get his ears pierced.
This is
Okay.
Himeno.
Aw.
This is Himeno. I made Aki get
Is this like a
piercings.
For
diary?
nothing else, could have probably instead of saying public safety, how did I get to quit? I brought it up, but he just.
Oh.
Damn.
He doesn't want to read this,
I don't think it's a
man.
good idea to keep working. If anything else, we can
How can I get Aki?
Okay.
Damn, that walk. Woo.
Now.
Easy, go easy, Aki. Damn.
Jesus.
108.
Deus!
So this is what.
Settle down.
Contract with the devil. Okay,
Or
okay.
at
So
least
they
try
chose
have
for-
Really?
time
Just like
to
that?
start it
You
off.
don't get to
Será o
choose or nothing.
demônio?
It's the
Future
future.
devil.
Did he mock him out?
Okay.
Okay.
Contract with me.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Both their eyes along with
Oh,
the sense of
hell
taste
no.
and
What is
smell.
he
Vai
have
dar
to give
metade e vai
up?
sobrar um ano de vida pra ele.
They may get a better deal.
Amazing.
Oh, shit.
Why the
I
hell?
wonder,
Ele falou que
do you get to like,
Eyes on my
does
taste.
it suddenly
Demônio do futuro.
before you contract, or it's like, once you say you want a contract, then he tells you the deal, but it's already too late. You're about
Because I
to
just saw it. It was this like gift. It was a dancing
Or
bird.
it could be something
kicking and screaming.
It makes sense
What
to
can you
the
do
show
for us?
us.
Can you see into the future?
Future devil.
Well,
People are
that's
fearful.
horrifying. No
Oh,
thanks.
the devil's probably busted.
Nossa, ela com o demônio ainda me trancar lá dentro?
Alright, face to
The
face.
fact that they have
An eye.
Even the eyes.
Okay.
Your eyeball?
An
Yeah,
eye.
sure. Well done.
Okay, so maybe it's not the future devil or the one I was thinking about in the intro because it didn't look like it had eyes.
Oh,
It's an eyeball.
Isso é que
Whatever, it's fine.
Loved it. Good stuff.
How's this?
Every time I crank it up.
Whatever. You couldn't take anything else.
Rah-rah. Oh, because he wants to be her dog. Oh,
Something
God.
else.
He had a collar. He had a
I mean,
collar.
like, the
Is this
music,
Makima?
it's a jammer.
This is
This is Makima. This is Makima. Yeah, it is.
Kind of strange.
Oh,
And I kind of like it.
Isn't
Throwback there.
cancel with
First double we ever faced.
My shit. You can take half my shit.
Dude is absurd.
oh,
Has
the fights he's had. So
dumbest reflexes I've seen.
I would have to eat shit to help me know what, you know?
What the heck?
Can't taste it. I'm just forced
Is
to
this how
eat it.
Genji's been living this whole time? Eating garbage?
Anything. I can eat it.
What? An army eating snaps next.
Could you honestly be full if you couldn't taste
yeah.
shit?
Okay.
Dogland.
Dogland?
Yeah.
He won.
There. I hope we get to see
they're
this nigga. I want to see this.
What
There's no
a
fight, no
unique
smell,
and
no
original
tasting
ending
ass nigga.
song we're getting here.
Yeah. What the
I've never heard anything like that.
Over
I can't see the food,
It's
I
so
can't
cool.
smell it, and I can't taste it. All I can hear is myself smacking on the shit.
Está bueno. Está. A ver.